Welcome back to Mady English Practice. I'm Mady.
And I'm Jules. Today, we are talking about an uncomfortable topic, two words that share a theme of physical injuries.
Oh, nobody likes getting hurt. What are the words today?
They are two words that sound almost exactly the same, and both mean a type of body pain. They are sprain and strain.
Let's start with the first one. How do you spell it?
Simple. S-P-R-A-I-N. It is mostly used as a noun or a verb. It means you stretched or tore a ligament, which is the tissue that connects your bones.
Think of it this way. A sprain always happens to your joints, like your ankle, your wrist, or your knee.
Exactly. Let's imagine you are playing in a very important weekend tennis match. The game is tied, and you run fast to hit the ball.
Oh no, you stepped the wrong way and twist your foot. You would say, I have an ankle sprain.
Right. Now let's look at the second word, strain. S-T-R-A-I-N. It is also a noun or a verb, but its core meaning is that you stretched or tore a muscle or tendon.
So let's go back to our tennis match scenario.
Right. After resting your hurt ankle, you decide to carry a very heavy box of tennis balls to your car.
You lift the heavy box and suddenly your lower back hurts. You would say, I have a muscle strain in my back.
A lot of learners mix these up because they rhyme and both mean injury.
Yes, people often make the mistake of saying, I strained my ankle playing tennis.
That is incorrect. Remember, ankles are joints, so the correct way is I sprained my ankle. And for your muscles, I strained my back muscle.
Here's a great memory trick. Strain has a T in it. Think of T for tearing a tendon.
That's perfect. And sprain has a P. Think of P for popping a joint.
Now it's your turn for homework. We want you to practice these two words.
Write two sentences in the comments below, one about a sprain and one about a strain, and relate it to a sport or an activity from your own life.
You are doing a wonderful job building your English vocabulary. Keep up the great work.
Don't let studying English become a strain on your brain. See you next time on Mady English Practice.